Mazda cx9. If you have there's a big crack on the transfer case, the one that goes to the rear differential. Is the drive shaft. If you notice it like clunking sound, I mean yes, some sort of a clunking sound, and you notice like grease on the center support and on the exhaust. It was greasy. I had to clean it up to find out that where it was coming from. There's a big crack in there. We have like 3 cars with the same problem, so I'll keep you guys posted to see if it's a warranty issue. It has to be. This Ford Motor Company, FOMO code. There's the logo. This original transfer case and everything.